That's deer tenderloin, and I'm gonna show you how I cook it. Welcome to the challenge channel. Today, we're making tenderloin deer meat. Harvested an 8-pointer this year, early bow season, and tonight we cooking it. My boys over there making noise. So, lack of having vegetable oil, I have extra virgin olive oil is what I'm using because I don't have vegetable oil. Also gonna need some all-purpose flour and then some seasonings of your likings. I really like Lowry's and the good old black pepper and salt. Those are my main ingredients in a bag. Here's how I do it. So you cube it up in about 1-inch pieces. You know, nothing real big. We're making bite-sized pieces. So first things first, get your bag. Better to have gallon-sized bags, but this is what I got to work with today. You don't have to use a bag, I just prefer to. Throw the seasoning to it. Quite a bit of seasoning there. Lots of black pepper. Mama. That is your mama. And plenty of salt. Which the Lowry's already has salt in it, so not a whole lot. Then you get your flour. So no measuring in this and none of this, just kind of go by smell and feel. Just using this as a something to get the powder in there. And then mix it all up. As long as it ain't white anymore, you know you got some good seasoning in it. You can start seeing the grains in it. And then also the good old-fashioned smell test. It smells like pepper. It's probably got some good amount of pepper in it. So I throw a few handfuls in there. Yet again, while my oil is getting all cooked up, warmed up, and I shake that up. And then pick them out, set them on the plate. And that's what they should look like. No eggs, no milk. I don't like a whole lot of seasoning or breading on my deer meat, especially. So I just allow the wetness of the meat, the moistness of the meat. You don't like that? Moist meat? Go ahead and coat it for me. Sticks to it pretty good. Some will fall off, but you'll see what it looks like when it's all said and done. That gets thrown in the trash. Alright, now we've got the meat set up, breaded, and we've got our oil getting good and hot, just for good measures. Woo! Little hot heat there. Probably a little too hot. Alright, and then nice and slowly start throwing them in. That is hot, and I always burn myself at least once. It ain't good deer meat if you ain't burnt yourself at least once. Sorry, I keep hitting the camera with my hat. Now we let her cook up. So right here, I like to put the paper towels down, 2 layers of it to soak up grease or fat or whatever it is you're using. It is a red meat, so you can eat it a little bit rare. I like to stir it around until the outside starts looking a little bit burnt, which is that flour burning on it. And it's always done, maybe a little bit too done. I like it a little crunchy. I don't put a lid on it. I just cook it the way you're seeing all the way through. Apparently I need to be nicer. I mean meaner, because I'm not this nice. Cook the meat. Don't walk away or it'll burn and you'll waste precious deer meat, tenderloin. Taste tester piece. That's already edible, done, but I like it to be a little crunchier. That's good. Try to drain off as much of that meat or that grease as you can. Put it on the paper towel. My family elsewhere likes to use brown paper bags and they'll put onions in it. You kind of make it your own. You killed it, harvested it, tagged it, hunted it. You can do whatever you want with it. Once I get it on the, I guess you could say, drying plate, get another paper towel, get some of that grease up, or don't. It's up to you. But you can see all that nastiness that you get off of there. As you can see, the breading is still there. It's just not as thick. Gum, a little bit of crunch. I'm gonna put that in my belly. Oh yeah, thanks for watching the Chelton channel.